guys, today we're playing Subway Surfers, and I know I played this and I tried to do a video about this but I couldn't. I thought I can do it right now, and this is a good game, but don't worry if you hear like stuff. But let me just turn this a tiny bit better, and I've got up to 1 million. Yeah, I know that's a big score, 1 million, and I changed my skin into a black one. And I'm pretty good at this game. I played it before, but a long time ago, like 1 year ago. So I shouldn't be that good, but somehow I turned very good. Oopsies. Oh, what a skills to get you down. Bam, bam, bam. If you could practice like I am. I always practice this game. Oh, I don't practice like that. And now it's going to drive me over. Tap to continue. Oh, and we only have 14 minutes. And it's already like, not that long, but pretty. I wouldn't call it pretty. Look at this. Bam. Whoa. I thought that's gonna make it, but that hasn't. What can I do? Nothing. Today our score is to get 2,000. I mean 2 million, not 1,000. Yay, baby boy. No. Learn, bam, bam. This is how you're supposed to learn like I am. I'm learning like a boy. Yep. Yeah, some big shoes. Yeah. Jump. No way. I thought I could have that. Wait, my friend is Alfie calling me. I mean Alfie. Hi Alfie. I'm doing a video.
I have sick bug, so I'll be on it. I won't be in tomorrow, but I'll be on Tuesday.
Okay.
I'll be at school on Tuesday because I'm coming to your house because I have sick bug.
Okay, but I'm doing a video, so sorry.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Sorry, it's just my friend Alfie. If you want to see him, I know it's called Alfie. I just call him Alfie because I like his name Alfie. But his actually is Alfie. And I know he likes calling me Jordanus, but I'm Jojo gay. Jojo, because it's like, because people in England call me Jordanus, but I'm actually Jojo. But anyway, don't worry. You can call me guys Jojo. I mean Jordanus. I don't mind. But anyway, but it's better to call me Jojo Gamer, as I like that name. And we only have oh yeah, we only have 12 minutes. Sorry. Whoa. Wait, can I go somewhere? Don't worry. Sorry guys, it was just something, don't worry. Sorry guys. It was just something, but don't worry. Don't ask again. Sorry, it was just, it was just something. My friends have a, how's it called? Oh yeah, my friends have a ghost in this house. That's so creepy. And that's true. Because his name is called JJ Gaming. And he has like a monkey, a little baby monkey. But on his vloggers was I made him have the baby monkey. And I made a video with him about the ghost that he has. And it was so scary. We saw like 2 ghosts right in front of me. There was right behind me one. And it was so scary. I couldn't even breathe that. I could breathe, but it was about to scare my life out. And one time, yesterday, it creeped me out so hard that I nearly broke my leg foot. A foot of my leg. That was so painful. And tomorrow I'm gonna do like 5 facts. 5 facts about me. But probably some of you know, but some of you don't. Because some of my friends know that, and some of them don't. Oh, what are skills? Today or tomorrow I'm gonna do 5 facts about me. Or straight away after this video. And we only have 9 minutes to record. Yeah. I mean 8 minutes. 8. Oh, I nearly died there. How can a bush kill you? Nope. Me? How do they die? Oh, how many coins? That's not lots. Guys, look how many coins I have. Come on, let's beat Ma. Yep. Some of these guys are so bad. Come on. Yes. No. That's gonna be hard for me. Bang. Bang. Oh, nope. I'm still not doing that. Come on. Home. I want to go home. I want to see achievements. Menu. Missions. Get 2 characters tokens. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't need to waste that many. Let's get shops. And we only have 7 minutes. Oh. Which one should I get? This one. Twice. How many? How many did I waste? Oh, magnet. Oh. That's just too much I buy. I can only buy, yay, 1. How many? I could double it up, but I'm not. I'm gonna waste that many coins on another one. Oh. Sorry, it's just my mom. She lives here. How many? 100. What? I'm buying that. Sorry. I'm not doing anymore. I'm just gonna do one more and then I think we end this video. 5 facts about me. Sorry, but I'm gonna be quiet a tiny bit because I would like to be sometimes quiet. Whoa. Oh no, but I think we have to end this video for now, and yeah, see ya soon. Bye bye.